Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel BIM for Construction. So in this today episode of Navisworks tutorial series, we will be discussing about how you can export the small portion of your NWC file, whatever Navisworks session you are using, whatever files you have appended here. If you want to share only the small portion with your teammates or the client, then how you can share. So this is basically useful when you are working on a very large project. So as you can see here, we are working on a very large project. Okay, so if we will be sharing this file with the client, first thing, okay, the storage of this file is very high, so it is not easy to share with them. And if his system compatibility is not good, then this file will not be running very smoothly in his system. So he needs, for let's say if he needs to review only the particular small room or a small portion, so how we can share with him without exporting the all the links again from the Revit for this particular small area. Okay, we don't want to go to the Revit process again, then it will be a time consuming. And also each subcontractor, we cannot request him, each subcontractor, that please give me the small portion export individually for each your services. Okay, so if you are already having a Navis file, okay, if you are having a NWCs or NWD or NWF, so how you can export the small portions, okay, from so from here, right now I am having all the services here, and let's say we will be taking an example here. Okay, let me show you. Let's say client told you that share me this particular room only. Okay, I don't want to review the full building, and don't send me the full building. Okay, I need this small room as a NWD file. So first of all you have to set, okay, so first of all you will be setting the we can say the plane, all the planes as per this room only. So I'm setting here the plane as per this rooms, and from here I'm using plane 4th. Okay, align to surface, this one. Then from here plane 3, align to surface, sorry, turn off plane 3. So this one about the planes I have already discussed in my previous videos. You can go and check out how you can control your model view as per your requirement with the help of planes. Okay, here, so let's say client want only this particular portion to see in his system. He don't want your full file. So let me show you, this is our full file. Okay, and only this small portion client want to see. So we have already uh, created a section plan for this only particular room. Now what we can do, we here we have to simply select all the elements. So for that one you will be going to home, you will be clicking on select and select box. With the help of select box you can select all the elements. Okay, after that what you have to do, you have to right click on here anyone, or you can right click here also, and you have to, okay, you are having the option. So we'll be clicking on this one first object anyone, and hide unselected means whatever I have selected right now, okay, it will remain visible. Other than this I have to hide everything. So you have to use this feature, hide unselected. Understood? Otherwise this export will not be a small export, it will show you the full building. So this one we have used hide unselected, so rest of the building is hidden already. We have used the enable sectioning feature. Why I have used this one, I will show you. Okay, let me show you again, unhide all. Okay, so by using sectioning plane we can easily select the elements as per your requirement. Okay, and if you are let's say if you are friendly to select the element without using the section plane, then also you can do. Let's say if you are not using the section plane and we will be selecting only this much portion as per our requirement. Okay, so also you can use this. It's a select box, and we will be selecting only this one this client is requiring right now. After that what we have to do, hide unselected again feature, hide unselected. So other than this every element is hidden. Now we have to go to, either you can go to Navisworks manage application here, export NWD, or either you can go to output or here export NWD. Now you have to check this first option, exclude hidden element. So whatever items are right now hidden, we have to exclude those. Okay, and simply click OK. Navisworks version you can choose and simply click OK. So I am placing it here as a 01. So now if I will be opening a new Navisworks session, okay, so the full building will not be available there, only this small portion will be available there, but in this one we are having full building. So if I am uh, removing the sections, and if I will do here unhide all, my full building is visible. Okay, but whatever export recently we have done, the full building will not be available there. So this is our file latest that we have exported as NWD small portion. Let's open it so you can see only the small portion. So if you check here, if you remove the section, nothing full building available. Also if you made unhide all, still the small portion of the building is visible. It means you can share the only particular small portion as required by the client, so he can review that particular small area. Okay, he don't want, his system is not capable for the such large files, so he needs only small portion to review. So you can share this one. Okay, this one will be less file size. Understood? So you can see here this as per our exported, the file size is very less. So this is how you can export the small portion of your Navisworks file as a NWD. Thanks for watching.